Digging a post hole in clay. Installing a post or an insert to place a pole in so it can be movable to other inserts in other locations of the yard. As you can see, I'm digging in clay. Clay dirt is really tough in dry weather, and it's been dry at that time probably about 3 or 4 weeks. It really hadn't rained, and I started to digging, and I couldn't get no hole dug no further than, well, you can see right there, probably about 6 inches. And I said, well, I'll put some water in there and let it soak in that clay. And while I was doing that, I let it sit there about 5 minutes, and then I go and dig a little bit more, and then I'd add a little bit more water. Most of the time you don't have to add more water because it ain't going to work. But it will help you to dig that hole, and it took me about 30 minutes to dig it by adding water in there like that. I'm going to put the insert, you see the insert laying there, that PVC pipe, and that cup, I'm going to put that cup down into the pipe all the way down to the bottom of it, and I'm going to put some type of treated stuff in there like you would spray on a privacy fence or something like that, and I'm going to put it in that cup, about 2 inches of it, and I'm going to set the pole down in the bottom of that insert, and that way it'll kind of, I'm hoping it'll kind of treat the pole itself. The pole is just a regular pine tree, small pine tree, about 3 inches in diameter after I took the bark off it. And I sprayed it with a clear coat and all of that after I let it dry for several days. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm doing all that right now. Once I get the hole dug, that's just part of it right there. And then I'm going to move on down to putting the insert in, and I'll show you. This is, I'm a little further along right there, and I'm still digging. And those rocks you see there, I'm going to put them rocks around it after I finish putting the pole up and all that stuff. But eventually I'll probably put a little cement slab around it. Right there is that yoga cup. I had to cut the rim off the top of it so it will slide down, but it goes in there. It's a tight fit, and I'll push it all the way down to the bottom of that PVC piece of pipe I got there to make the insert out of. And there it is right there where I'm fixing to push it all the way down, and that'll be the finishing part of it once I get the hole dug. This is the sleeve after you installed it in the ground. I had a bigger piece that I installed first, and which is about 4 inch, and I think it's scrap I had laying around the yard. And anyway, I put the other piece down in there, and then I wedged it with some little wedges and level it up. So you can do it that way, or it just gives you an idea which way you can go with something like that. And you can always move your stuff from one area to another if you get tired of looking at it in one spot. So it gives you a choice without digging a hole again. Just put some more inserts throughout your yard, on different sides of your yard, on the corners, wherever. And it's really neat to just move stuff around. And all you have to do is just take the wedge out, pick it up, put it in another insert, put your wedge in there, and you got it going on. Thank you folks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you like. This here is a load of beans I'm taking out to Pioneer. Been wanting to go out there and visit him for a while, and I keep putting it off. I got so much stuff going on, so many irons in the fire they call it, and he's out there digging, and I kind of ain't heard nothing about him. So I just want to go out there and kind of nose around to see what he's doing. And I got a load of beans already. I rented this old truck right here, real cheap, but it ain't hardly got enough power to pull up the hill, and especially if I got loaded with a lot of beans. And so I don't know how I'm gonna get up the hill if the thing don't want to pull it, unless I had my stunt puller motorcycle around. might be able to hook it up and help me get over the hill somehow. And I don't know if I can drive 2 vehicles at one time or not, but you never know what you can do. You put your mind to it. But I'm gonna say this to you. I'm just putting this on the end of the video to let you know I hadn't forgot about Pioneer, and I'm gonna get back to him as quick as I possibly can. And it ain't gonna be long. And I just wanted to give y'all a heads up on what I was doing with him. But I want to tell you this: there's something about me and Pioneer. He likes to dig for gold, just digging with picks and all that stuff. That's what he just enjoys. And I like digging too. But you see what I'm doing? I'm digging holes in clay. So I believe we got some kind of stuff mixed up in our DNA. What do y'all think? Chat with y'all later.